we're going on a quick test drive here. The car has 17,637 miles on it. Beautiful black and red interior. Steering wheel's perfectly straight. Suspension feels good. When you apply the brakes, there's no shimmy to the wheel. I don't feel any issues with the brakes themselves. Shifts nice and smooth. I'm gonna hit the brakes kind of hard here. Stops perfect. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So starting with the front right wheel. I don't see any curb rash. Got the gloss black calipers. That looks good. Got the Pilot Sport All Season 4ZP tires. Here on the fender, there's no PPF on this car. That looks good. A couple little spots on the side mirror, a couple small rock impacts. That looks good. I don't feel any chips there. Lower rocker's clean, that door looks good. Quarter panel looks nice. You do have some texture right here on the wheel. Might have had some curb rash and it was repaired because I can see a little discoloration. Like I said, no PPF on here. I do see some little streaks inside the headlight, which I've seen that on other ones before as well. You do have an emblem delete here. Got a rock chip right there. Upper section looks nice. All of that looks good. I do see dimples in the paint. You can see it right here. You're going to see those throughout this front end. Being white, it is really hard to tell. You do have to be up close. That lower section looks good. Getting down low, you do have some damage right there. That lower section looks good. You can see the damage here. It looks like the guard got gashed and that bolt's kind of coming out. And you can see that one right there got ripped out. You can see some chips in that crack. Look in there. That looks good. It does have rash here. You can see that. And then had rash here, and it looks like it was touched up. The rest of that looks good. On the side mirror, you are going to have a few small rock chips. A-pillar looks good. That's clean. Front windshield is tinted. Making our way down the door. That looks nice. You can see gashes right there. That edge looks good though. A couple scuffs here, a rock chip there. The rest of that quarter looks good. I don't see any rash there. Looks like all the underside is good. Really no other imperfections stand out to me back here. Checking out the engine bay. All of that looks good. Carpets are clean. That looks nice. All right, checking out the interior. Smells really good in here. Got the memory seating, Bose audio, of course. All of that's perfect. I don't feel any separation on leather. A couple scuffs getting in and out here. Here on that bolster, nice and clean. Now we do have some wear right here and some markings on that bolster. Upper section looks good. Bottom's nice and clean. You can see a little fingernail scratch right here. Upper looks good. That's clean. All of that's perfect. You do have front lift. Center console looks really nice. Here on the passenger door panel, all of that's perfect. I don't feel any separation. A couple little scuffs here and there on that trim piece. Bolster's nice. Little scuff right here. Got the carbon inserts, beautiful seat. Bottom looks nice. You can see some damage right there. See that gash. The rest of that looks good. Don't feel any separation there. Lower side looks nice. And then now that I'm in the car in different lighting, you can see the button here. That material is kind of melted on that plastic. Got a lot of texture to it.